Hi, this is going to be the third video that I'm going to make with the TH sound, okay? The other two videos are all going to be with the voiced TH sound, okay? So in the voiced TH sound, we're going to have that and then and the. Very important, the. With the voice sound, your tongue has to go between your teeth. Here's your teeth and here's your tongue. And your tongue has to go in and the air goes out. But your tongue has to vibrate, okay? Now, today's lesson is going to be with the unvoiced sounds, okay? So the unvoiced sound is the same. Your teeth are here and your tongue goes in, but no vibration, okay? No vibration. So I'm going to do these words a little bit medium speed, and then we're going to go fast, okay? So try to copy my sound. Okay, so here is the list. Thorn. Thin, think, thunder, thousand, thirsty, thief, thermometer, theater, thermos, thaw, thing, thread, thoughtful, three, thick, thumb, thigh, third, thank you, 30, 13, therapy, Thursday, and thimble. Okay, so now these words are going to be in the middle. Okay, the TH sound is going to be in the middle. Okay, so it's a little bit more difficult. So here, bathtub, toothache, toothbrush, python, marathon, healthy, truthful, wealthy, athlete, bathrobe, panther, toothpaste, birthday, something, pathway, and toothpick. Okay. And then here's a longer list, okay? So these are the ending sounds, okay? So do your best with these. Cloth, moth, math, tooth, fifth, beneath, path, month, wreath, booth, broth, ninth, 10th, breath, bath, earth, mouth, teeth, youth, north, strength, south, oath, both, and eighth. Eighth is the hardest, okay? So now we're just going to do it really fast. Try to do your best with this, okay? So here we go. Thorn, thin, think, thunder, thousand, thirsty, thief, thermometer, theater, thermos, thaw, thing, thread, thoughtful, three, thick, thumb, thigh, third, thank you, 30, 13, therapy, Thursday, and thimble. Can you do them? Bathtub, toothache, toothbrush, python, marathon, healthy, truthful, wealthy, athlete, bathrobe, panther, toothpaste, birthday, something, pathway, and toothpick. Now, let's see what we can do at the end, okay? So, let's find this. Whoa, there we go. Cloth, moth, math, tooth. Fifth, beneath, path, month, wreath, booth, broth, ninth, 10th, breath, bath, earth, mouth, teeth, youth, north, strength, south, oath, both, and eighth. Good luck. Goodbye.